How to fix Facebook Story Insights not available. So if you want to fix your Facebook Story Insights are not available, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you can go with your story. Like for example, I've not added a story. I'll just simply go and add something. After adding a story, now if you don't find the Insights section, here on the bottom left you will have the insights option, but if you don't find the insight, then what you need to do is you need to turn on the professional mode, because if you've not turned on the professional mode, then you will not have your insights. So go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on your profile. On your profile you need to go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and you need to tap on turn on professional mode, and then turn on your professional mode. And once you turn on, you'll be able to see the content insights. So go with next, next again, next, confirm, next, and tap on go to professional dashboard, and you will have your professional dashboard. You will have your insights right here. So just go back and refresh your page, tap on your story or your profile, tap on view story, and here on the bottom left you will have the insights section. So tap on insights, and that's it. Now in my case, I don't have any viewers right now, so that's why I don't have any insights. But if you have some viewers to your story, then you will have all of your insights right here. But even if you have the viewers, if you're not being able to have the insights, then here it says that if you've just turned on your professional mode, or if you've switched your account to a professional mode in the last 24 hours, then you won't be able to have the insights. So just wait for the 24 hours, and after waiting for 24 hours, if you post a story, you'll be able to have the insights. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.